In a world that moves so fast, it's easy to feel like you're standing still. You scroll through highlight reels, seeing milestones and achievements, and a quiet voice whispers that you're falling behind, that everyone else has a map and you're still searching for the path. But take a breath. Feel the air fill your lungs. You're not behind. You are in the quiet, powerful process of becoming. It's a journey that doesn't unfold on a timeline for others to see, but within the very core of who you are, becoming stronger with every challenge you face, every setback you overcome. The strength isn't just in the muscle, but in the will to try again, to push through the resistance you feel inside, becoming wiser. Each mistake is not a failure, but a lesson learned. Every page turned, every conversation had, adds a new layer to your understanding of the world, and more importantly, of yourself, and becoming kinder. Learning that compassion for others begins with compassion for yourself. Recognizing the struggles in those around you because you have navigated your own. You're evolving in ways you can't see yet. Like the roots of a great tree, the most important growth is happening beneath the surface, unseen, anchoring you for what's to come. This process might feel slow, almost imperceptible, but that doesn't mean it's not progress. Every small step, every quiet moment of reflection is a victory. So please don't compare your chapter 2 to someone else's chapter 20. Their story is not your story. Their pace is not your pace. You are not behind. You are exactly where you need to be, on time for the beautiful unfolding journey of your own life. Trust the timing. Trust yourself.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.